Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Netflix games are not showing in your app, do not worry. This usually is a simple issue that can be fixed quickly. I'll guide you step by step so you can get the games option back. First, check if your Netflix subscription is active. Next, Netflix games only work for active members, so if your plan is expired or limited, games may not appear. Next, make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store, search for Netflix controller or your Netflix app, and make sure that the apps are updated to the latest version. Next, open the Netflix app and scroll through the home screen. Sometimes the game section is lower down, so check carefully. Then, if it still does not appear, restart your phone or TV and reopen the app. This refreshes the system and can bring them back. Also, try logging out and logging back into your Netflix account. This helps reset my missing features. If nothing works, reinstall the Netflix app completely and sign in again. Now your Netflix game should be visible again. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.